Yo, what's going on, dudes? It's Matthew, and welcome back to another video. That's right, we are back on Fortnite once again, and ready to rock this island with like 5 or 6 minutes left in 2022. Yeah, that's right, we're really going into 2023 here. And since it was quite the brutal year for me, I'm hoping that 2023 will be easier and smoother and more pleasant for me. Yeah, you heard that right. That's right, 2022 has been such a brutal time for me. You know, I've been dealing with mental trouble and trying to manage it, and a loss of a loved one, which, you know, I mean, normal stuff in life, but yeah. And, and worrying about seeing friends. Yeah, I wish I didn't worry. I try not to worry, but it happens. It happens. I clearly don't mean to worry. But yeah, we're about to, you know, hopefully have a good match of Fortnite here. And of course, definitely be sure to like and subscribe for more of my epicness. And let's do this. If you've watched the channel for like over 2 years, you may know that, you know, at the end of 2020 and at the beginning of 2021, I played Fortnite leading into the new year, but I died like real shortly before the fireworks happened, and the player I was spectating totally missed the fireworks basically. Popular Teacup 27 is gonna nail it next time. Yeah, as you can tell, they changed the death messages for when people like leave the game. Like before, it was like they checked out early, they took the L, or they played themselves. But now it's quite a bit different. Oh yeah, and I did unlock the last augment, which is the party time. You gain balloons over time. Yeah, I know I said recently, in one of the 25 Days of Christmas things, that I was going to get the last augment soon. And it happened. I got it. So now I've gotten all the augments, which is cool, and we know those like benefit you throughout the match. Alright. How many people are coming here? Seriously. Alright, I'm just gonna like I'm just gonna land on like the edge here. I need good stuff before I fight these people. I got slap juice, I like that. Okay. What the? Oh, it seemed like my sensitivity was low there, but it's alright. Oh, I got the Shockwave Hammer already, and we know that's overpowered. Now I got a DMR too, but I don't know if I really need it. Or actually, yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Let's actually rotate my loadout here. Let's try this. There we go. There's a dude. I started claiming the location, and then oh, it's a Calamity, the first style, the one with the swords. Yeah, that's hot. Come here. Yes. All right. Oh, I think somebody else is coming. Yep, right over there. There's someone. No, I didn't hit them. Whatever. There's definitely people fighting. 85 of them on this island, to be exact. Oh, right there! I like blended in at first. Got him. They didn't have anything I needed, though. I see the moon up there. Alright. I know what happened that one time with the augment and the person right there, but I think it's fine to do it right now. There's nobody around. I'm choosing this one. I think that was my last augment of 2022. Crazy. And yeah, we're claiming this location, and yeah! Everybody was too busy fighting, so I had to do it, and I got improvements on my stuff. Alright. Oh yeah, and I can clearly see where they all are too. Alright. So it looks like we got 2 other opponents here still. I'm 100 and ready to wreck them. Alright, let's do this. I see that there's a guy right here. And let's rock, bro. Oh, yeah, that was ownage. Alright, now I don't need their stuff. Okay. That was pretty good right there. Alright. See more stuff to do here, too. More stuff to loot. Alright. Am I missing something? Oh, there it is. There's the ball. We got dance music. I think it's happening.
Happy New Year!
There we go.
Yeah! Oh, love you, buddy.
Love you too.
Happy New Year.
Love you, Mommy.
Love
Mwah.
you, Daddy.
Yeah.
Love you, kiddo.
Yeah, you might not want to be in my face right now.
I'm not.
Oh, our family. Here's to a safe, healthy,
Oh, look.
worry-free, fun 2023.
Woo! Did you see the in the sky? It had the 2023.
I didn't see that, but I get it.
Nice.
Ignore my mom's voice. She's been sick.
Are you videoing?
Oh, my bad.
Oh, right there. Come on.
Fine, buddy.
Have fun.
Come on, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My first kill of 2023. That was good. All right. Yep. This is my first augment of 2023. Sub cannon. Yes, please. I don't know if I really need this DMR. All right. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right. Is this the bounty board I got? Yeah, it is. All right. I might as well take the slap juice now because I have a sub cannon. And yeah, I have a bounty, and I'm sure they're nearby. I can see their circle. All right. Let's find out. All right, dude. What? I didn't mean to go backwards. I meant to do this. All right, come on, dude. Oh no! Run! Oh no! Oh my gosh, 5 HP. Oh man. Well, yeah, that was cool seeing, seeing the Fortnite New Year event again. And I had a decent game. And yeah, that's make for a cool video. So definitely be sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely be sure to like and subscribe for more of my epicness. And I'll see you all next time.